I got to do this in stages, so I get my clamps and pipes and stuff lined up. Yeah, the curve on this existing sill makes it so I can weld without it warping. Yeah, I guess I'm still there. And again, this is a 16th inch plate I'm welding on the bottom. And this is 20 gauge, but this has a curve to it, so it's not warping on me. And the bottom being thick means that won't warp. So anyway, this and the bottom flange fits good, which I'll be welding afterwards. Probably the camera angle makes it so the torch is in the way, you can't see, but does it keep going, I guess. Yeah, it was cold in here, but I opened up the doors and it was warm outdoors, so it didn't take too long. It warmed up quite nice. It's almost like 10 degrees out. Sort of reminds a person that spring is coming. Yeah, I'm just going to weld a little bit more here while the going's good. You have the tip a little bit on the hot side, it makes for a faster weld. Especially when you're working with good metal. Well, anyway, yeah, that's going to be all right. Right to the front. Yeah, and I spot welded underneath. Don't think I'm going to try to weld it completely closed on the bottom flange. That way, if any moisture gets in there, it can drip out. But anyway, there. See you later.